guys, good morning. It's Chinky and welcome to my Sansevieria collections at home. First, I would like to invite everyone to please do subscribe on the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. So for this morning, I'm just going to share with you a few of my Sansevieria, or we call it snake plant collections at home. So I have few potted ones, and I also have Sansevierias or snake plants planted directly on the ground. So sa mga gustong mag-start mag-gardening, you can start collecting Sansevierias because these plants are less maintenance and very easy to care. Walang kaarte-arting halaman na ito, kaya ready siya. It's very good also as indoor house plants, or pwede din siya sa outdoor because it can tolerate direct sunlight. So, yeah. I-share ko sa inyo ngayon yung ating planting collections. So, ito, yan. Maganda pag nakapat yung inyong mga snake plants. Hindi masyadong mabilis yung kanilang pagdami. So, kung gusto mong controlled yung kanilang pagdami, and then, try to plant it in the pot. So, kung gusto nyo naman ng medyo mabilis silang dumami, well, you plant it in a bigger pot, yung malaking paso naman. Just like this one, itong ginamit kong paso, wide yung kanyang opening dito. So, talagang pwede siyang mag-multiply. So, sa isang paso, sobrang dami na ng kanyang laman. Kita mo? Yan. So, this one naman, hindi siya masyadong marami din siya, kaya lang hindi masyadong matataas kasi I think sobrang dami na nila, and I mixed it with my tea plant. So, pwede nyo rin itong gawin. Pwede kayo mag-mix ng halaman sa isang paso. Diba? Pang accent nyo. Kasi at least mas colorful yung buhay. Mas colorful yung inyong paso pag maraming kulay. Diba? So, this, I mix it with my tea plant. Kasi nilalagay ko to sa loob ng bahay. And this one is a lucky plant. It's good for it's good as indoor plant. The same thing with the snake plants. Ito ang ating mga Sansevierias. So I have a lot of this. If you want some, just leave a comment down below and I can ship or I can give you some of these snake plants. I have a lot of this on the ground. I'll show you guys later. So yeah. This one naman is a whale fin. So ito yung mga malalapad na snake plants. Yan. Malalapad siya. So this one is just green, and I have, this is my new purchase, the variegated whale fin. So yellow at saka green. So yan yung ating variegated na whale fin. So ito yung same variety sila, but this one is just the variegated. I also have the Moonshine Sansevieria. Maganda siya pag baby. Ito din, sobrang dami ko dito. So if you guys want some, just let me know. Just leave a comment and I'll be willing to share some of these Moonshine Sansevierias with you. So yan, maganda din siya. Pag nakatanim, I have a lot on the ground. Sobrang dami. Mabilis nilang dumami. Nagiging wild sila. So that is a Moonshine, and this one is a Brazilian Moonshine. So yan, tawag dito, bagong bili ko lang din to, kaya hindi pa siya masyadong stable. Yan. That's a Brazilian Moonshine. And ito, actually hindi ko alam anong pangalan nitong snake plant na ito. Ito din, sobrang dami kong ganito. And then ito one. So ito para siyang ahas. So this one, kinuha ko lang siya sa wild. See? Ngayon, so marami na rin ako nito. So, just let me know guys if you want some. Yan. Pag baby siya, medyo white pa yung kulay niya. Once mag-mature siya, nag-change yung kanyang color into dark green. Katulad yan. Maganda rin. Then this one is also a different variety. Ang ganda rin niya. So maganda guys kung iba't ibang klase magkakaroon kayo ng different collections of Sansevierias. These are really good indoor plants. Nakaka-tolerate siya. Hindi nyo kailangan magdilig. Hindi din siya masyadong sensitive sa low light. Okay lang talaga siya sa loob ng bahay. So, let's move on to the these are the dwarf varieties. Ito mga dwarf naman to. Hindi siya dumadami. Sorry. Hindi siya tumataas. These are dwarf varieties of snake plants. Ito mga dwarf lang to. These are dwarf. So, alright. This one is a copper tone. Yung kulay niya, parang patay. Pero buhay siya, guys. And, ito mga bagong bili ko lang. So, mga bagong tanim ko lang yan. So, ganyan sila. So, yan yung aking mga nakapot na Sansevierias. So, ito naman yung aking mga Moonshine na nakatanim dito sa labas. Nagiging wild sila. Yan, dami. So, I have few more here. Actually, kailangan ko na tong yan. These are Moonshine Sansevierias. Tsaka meron din ako dito sa field. Pinalipat ko kasi nga nagiging wild sila sa loob ng bahay pag nakatanim sa ground. So, yan sila Ayoko namang itapon dahil sayang din naman. Kaya ang ginawa ko, pinalipat ko na lang dito sa labas. Yan. Diba? Maganda rin naman. Actually, nabisi kami sa city kaya hindi na namin to naaalisan ng mga weeds. But, since vacation na ng mga bata, papalinis ko din itong area na to. So, yan. So, dito naman na side, mayroon din akong few na nakatanim sa lupa. So, on this side, I mix my snake plants with Radiscanthia. So, ang dami ko ding snake plants dito na tinanim. Although, kakatanim ko lang kasi kaya hindi pa masyadong stable yung iba. So, itong mga snake plants, napaka-less maintenance na halaman. So, that's it for my vlog today. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and happy gardening, everyone. Bye-bye!